Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to make a little bit longer video than a normal short, so it's going to be uploaded as a standard video. I am making some custom additions to these original bumpers. I am going to shave them and remove the bumperettes and also fill in every hole where the bolts go through by welding them and then using body filler. This is a quick little process of what I did. Now, this is just for you to see some things coming soon. If you are interested in a Grand National, it will be up for sale in the future. It's a 1984 original. The motor was rebuilt and trans. It has 43,000 miles on the rebuilt and it's been in great condition. I'm doing some minor custom work like this, but it will still remain original, numbers matching motor and trans and body. Alright guys, thanks for sticking in and watching me go through this. I am working outside, but I will be spraying the car in a paint booth once I am done with the primer and blocking everything out. Remember to like and subscribe and support my small channel. Right now I'm building cars out of my garage, but stay tuned and soon I'll own a shop.